Hi guys, this is Peterson Charles from Monster Marketing. Today we're gonna promote this brand new software just rolled out a couple of days ago. It's called Pixel Scout. Now, what Pixel Scout is, it's a software to find businesses to sell digital marketing services to, and it allows you to find businesses that do not have Facebook Pixel on their website. Okay, now, what it does, if you do not have Facebook Pixel on your website, it's like you're leaving money on the table. Now, if you do have Facebook Pixel on your website, what it allows you to do is anyone who visited your website, it can be only one time. It's gonna follow them wherever they go. Sometimes you just go on a website and browse something, and all of a sudden you're on Google or you're on, it doesn't matter what website it is, and that same ad just pop up right in front of your face. It happens to me a lot, you know. And sometimes you try to order something, and for some reason, maybe you got busy doing something and you forgot all about this thing, and all of a sudden it just pops up. Right now, that is called a Facebook Pixel. If you have that on your website, then you're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna get a lot more clients, customers. Imagine dentists, chiropractors, those people, accountants, those people definitely need something like that on their website. As a matter of fact, it could be any website as far as business goes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it does and how important it is to your business. And if you don't implement that in your business, you definitely leaving money on the table. Now, what it allows regular guys to do, like that run Facebook ads and stuff, give them a huge opportunity, because if your website doesn't have, if they don't run Facebook ads, it's going to reveal whether that site is running Facebook ads or not. Okay, I'm going to get back into this a little later, but right now I'm going to show you the package that I have for you guys as far as bonuses goes, because I definitely have to give out some really cool bonuses for you guys for buying my product. Okay, now Pixel Scout, like I said, it's going to allow you to put the pixel on their website so that they can follow you around. The ad will definitely follow you around, so you have a second chance of making that sale. Okay, the software completely eliminates the need to cold call, yet still leaves small businesses lining up to pay you $500 per month for a small task you can complete in minutes, guys. All right. So what is Pixel Scout? Pixel Scout is a revolutionary client prospecting software for Facebook and advertising and SEO expert that includes an entire course on Facebook advertising. Okay, instantly scan websites in Google and Yellow Pages for sites that are missing the Facebook pixel, Google Analytics, Schema, SSL, and other key indicators. Then use our automated reporting function and email outreach system to quickly contact business owners. It's a client prospecting tool on steroids. You heard that, guys? I'm a bodybuilder. Steroids, really. It's a client prospecting tools and steroids. I like that. This is right down my alley. Oh, just trying to be funny here, guys. All right. So, see what it does? Yeah, it's a prospective tool and steroids. So all of this stuff that you can fix, but I'll show you in a minute what it does. Okay. Now, what I have for you guys, it's perfect software solution for, like I said, local marketers, Facebook marketers, web designers, SEO experts, and yeah, you. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I have. I have bonus number one that I have for you guys, and this is a limited time offer only, guys. Okay. Bonus number one, it's how I made $200 in 20 minutes using Facebook groups. You guys definitely, this is a must watch. This one, you're gonna get a lot of traffic through this if you watch this presentation here. Bonus number two that I have is a complete Facebook ads course. Like I said, I'm giving you guys stuff that's congruent to the program that you're looking at right now. I'm not just going to throw any crazy bonus in there to say, hey, I'm giving you 20 or 30 bonuses. It doesn't work that way with me. All right. Everything has to go hands in hands with the program that I'm marketing for you guys. Okay. Bonus number three, it's a high ticket qualification phone call. That means that It's going to show you how to close that sale. You're going to listen to that audio and listen to it very carefully. If you listen to this very carefully, if you miss anything, you can always go back and look at it. It's going to explain to you how to close that call. All right. That's why I put listen on how to close that sale, guys. Bonus number 4, commission blueprint. It's going to take you on another level. If you look at this video, it's going to shock you to see what's going on behind the scenes, what top marketers really do. Bonus number 5. This is a commission manual. This is a lot of surprises on this. When you go behind this thing, you will really see exactly what's up. And we have the vendor bonuses. I take a look at the vendor bonuses. The vendors gave me some bonuses. I think it's 5 or 6 bonuses to give to you guys. It's a huge surprise once you get in and once you buy that program, which is located in my link below the video in the description. You're going to see what's going on. All right, guys. So I'm going to recap again the bonuses that I really have for you guys. Bonus number 1. All right. So I made $2,000 20 minutes with Facebook groups. Number 2, complete Facebook ads course. Number 3, high ticket qualification. Number 4, commission blueprint. And number 5, $1,000 commission manual. All right. So if you guys should act now. If you guys don't act now, in the next few days, all the bonuses will be gone. I didn't really put a timer because I don't really like putting timer on my stuff, but you guys have like a couple of days left and then the bonus is gone. So make sure if you want to purchase that program, purchase it through my link. Of course, you have the right to shop around. You can watch other videos of other guys, see what they put on the table for you guys, and you guys can always come back to my video, click on my link, which is in the description below of this video, and buy the product because I have some really cool bonuses that I put together for you guys. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to take you guys inside the software. But before I go, I just want to let you guys know that the price is going to go up. Right now it's 47. All right. And you get 300 search results. And then the second one, which is the best one, you get 900 search results, which is 32. But as I speak, the price will continue to go up. It's going to go up because it's so good. People just killing it right now. People crushing it right now with this new software. All you got to do, click on this link, and it's going to take you to the sales page. You buy the product. Once you buy the product, it's actually going to take you, I'm going to show you. It's going to, when you buy the product, it's going to take you to your Warrior Plus account. Guys, if you do not have a Warrior Plus account, please register for Warrior Plus account. It's free. Once you go, you buy the program, you're going to see access to your purchase. And this is what you got to click. This is where you click to get all my bonuses and the vendor bonuses. Make sure you click on access affiliate bonus. All right, guys, this is where you're going to get it. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now I'm going to show you guys a little about the software because, you know, like I said before, I do not promote anything that I didn't really touch, I didn't really use. I want a feel of the program. I'm not one of those guys who just put stuff together and just talk. I have to have a copy of that software so that I can do my own experiment to tell you guys whether it's worth your money or not. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so this is the program here. I did a research before because I don't want to waste you guys' time. All right, right here, it's going to cost you 1 coin for 10 searches. It's going to go up. See, 20 searches, it's going to go up 30. It's going to cost you 3 coins. All right, you guys can always upgrade, but you don't really have to upgrade right now if you just want to put a pixel on a client website. But I think if you have a lot of clients, then it's wise to upgrade. Okay, so I did some searches here. Let's go to the chiropractor. There's already 5. Look at potential customers and clients you guys can land. Okay, so let's go. Chiropractor, we're going to go there and we're going to see whether he has pixel or not. All right, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now look at the potential. Okay, he has SSL support, which is good because if you do not have SSL support like this one, Google penalize you and actually rank your website lower. Okay, Open Graph he has, Google Analytics he has. Now, Google Maps he doesn't have, okay? And this could be a very good selling point for you, okay? Schema he doesn't have. So, what you're gonna do to see if they have that Facebook pixel, all you gotta do, first let's check out the website and see what how it looks. Oh, he does a lot of stuff here. It's not a bad looking website, but could you imagine the potential if he had that if he had Facebook Pixel on his website, that he could retarget all his clients and stuff? It would be crazy. How did you just have that Facebook Pixel? All right, so we're gonna go into more details here. Okay, we're gonna create a report. Uh, all the contact information just comes in automatic, so you just send a quick message to him. Okay, let him know that he needs to upgrade his stuff. Let's view the report and see exactly what. See, oh, website doesn't have Facebook Pixel. So like I said before, he's leaving money on the table because there's no way he's gonna retarget these people. Whereas if he had that Facebook Pixel, they would be retargeted. I mean, instantly, right away. So this is like, look at this. I mean, this is like the water is blue here, guys. There's so much potential on this and so much opportunity on this that you guys who have marketing agency can just grab onto. You guys should really get this program. It is really, I'm really feeling it right now. I'm feeling this program right now, guys. All right, and I'll show you guys some more. They even have the templates that they create for you guys, so you guys can send some cool emails to the prospect. Okay, the contact details, you click here. It's money in the bank, guys. All right, contact details are right there. Everything is right in front of you. No more going searching the yellow pages and all that and to see whether they have this, and it's gonna take you hours to do that. Whereas with this, it's just a just a few clicks, just a few clicks, and that's it. Just a few clicks, and that's all it takes, guys. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. There's lots more to come, and don't forget, guys. Like I said, the bonuses, they're not gonna last forever. You guys should take advantage of my bonus package. The next few days, they're all gonna be gone, and there's also upsells on this. So like I said, but for the basic version, everything I just showed you, you don't need that upgrade. But if you have a lot of clients, I suggest that you go and get that upgrade. So the credits are here. That's where you're gonna see how much credits you have, that you can, how much searches that you can do. There's a lot you can do with. I think it comes with 300. I'm not sure how many coins. Yeah, 300 results you can get for $47. I'm not even sure whether it's still $47. The software came out 2 days ago, and the people are just raving about this software. So the price continue to rise, guys. Take action now. All right, take action now. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.